Hello my students, this is the Java programming classes and course beginner to developer. I am your mentor, Hakimi Abdul Jabar. I'm also your advisor. Today we're gonna learn your first Java program. We're gonna learn how to create your first Java program, the Hello World program, using Java programming language. First and foremost, on your computer, look for the Eclipse IDE icon. Click on the Eclipse IDE icon. There, you'll see the Eclipse IDE icon. After clicking on it, it will be launching. Now launch the Eclipse IDE and select a directory as a workspace. Usually it will select the workspace on your personal computer, Eclipse workspace by itself. After launching, it will start up the Eclipse IDE. This is what the Eclipse IDE should look like. First and foremost, before doing anything, open the Java perspective. If you're not already in the Java perspective, in the main menu, click on Window, as you can see, then go to Perspective, then open Perspective, then click on Other. And this will bring you to the Open Perspective table, and you can click on Java Default and you open that. Okay, and we begin your first program, creating your first program. Click on New, click on the new file, creating a new file, which is a Java project. And save the project name as Hello World and click on Finish. The next thing you do is click on File, New, click on New, and click on New Java class, the class. This is what you do to create a new Java class. In the main toolbar, click on the New Java class button, or you can select Hello World / source code, which is src, as the source folder, then enter Hello World for the class name. Select the checkbox to create the main method, then click Finish. Here you can see the new Java class. Right, source folder is Hello World / src, which is source code. The name should be Hello World, and don't forget the method is a public static main method, and click on Finish. You can see on the cheat sheet, you should have a cheat sheet there. Just copy it. You don't have to type everything all down. Just copy that. System.out.print capital N, capital I, N, in bracket Hello World. Then you paste it in the Hello World.java class. As you can see, once you've pasted it, then you can change the W in world from small w to capital W. Don't forget to save the changes. Usually the class will automatically compile upon saving, but anyway, just click on File and click on Save. The next thing you do is you right click on the new, you right click at the Package Explorer table, you right click at on helloworld.java, and you can run it as one Java application. You click on that. Ta-da! Congratulations! Hello World will be printed out on the console. So congratulations, you've learned to create your first Java program. This is your mentor and advisor, Hakimi Abdul Jabar, founder, global legal advisor, and chief software developer for the Software Suite, a global niche software developer and sales marketer. Thank you for learning Java.